Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. It's PCK here. Today's video, we're going to open up the TCG Lightning Box 4 packs and a bonus card. If you can still find these, they're at Walgreens. Super popular product I've seen before. Haven't actually seen a couple of them in the store, and didn't really think to buy one until just recently. So let's get into this. And we get a bonus card here. Let's see what that's going to be. Probably nothing too spicy. Poliswine Reverse Holo. And of course the pack choices are Evolutions, Crimson Invasion, Burning Shadows, and Hidden Fates. We're going to start off with the Crimson Invasion. Haven't opened up too much Crimson Invasion in my days, but it'd be cool to see what we can get today. Code card. Let's slide this out the way. And starting off with the energy. Hakamo, Biggerby, Pick a Red Card, Jangamo, Staryu, Aron, Remoraid, Geodude, Reverse Pecking Red Card, and a holographic Aggron. Next pack. Just to let you know, I'm working on an Evolutions project. So this is probably my last pack of Evolutions I'm going to open. Weird. Mudchoke, Trainer, Charizard Spirit Link, Vulpix, Energy, Voltorb, Charmander, whoa, and a Clefairy, and Farfetch'd. Man, I thought that pack was heating up. Boy, oh boy. Burning Shadows. Let's see. What can you do for us today? Here's your code card. Say I bought this box, of course, for the pack arts. Well, the packs that comes with it. 3 Charizard Chase sets. I'm still not, like I said, I'm not sure what's in Crimson Invasion, but let's just. Alright, Hidden Fates. But yeah, the box is like I think $17.99 or something like that. A pack of Hidden Fates and Evolutions can pay for a box itself. Leaf Energy, Rock Script, Chansey, Graveler, Cubone, Geodude, Eevee. Could get a shiny vault. Not there, but just reverse. And Misty's Water Command. So, with that being said, let's get into this. I figured I wasn't going to get anything, so I hope I didn't flash anything. I didn't even look. And water. Absol, Beedrill, Rotom Bike, Carvana, Zigzagoon, Kakuna, Roly-Poly, Trubbish, Reverse Energy, Holographic Energy, and a Cinderscorch. Next pack. Yeah, I decided to do a little bonus. Like I said, to see if I can get something good today. And Metal, the Machoke, Pierce, Zigzagoon. I'm still looking for Charizard, of course. And there's some really cool full arts in here that I really want. What? Alright, these Champions Path were from the same box. That sucks. No, I'm just kidding, it's cool. But yeah, these packs are all from the same box. And I just messed something up. That's okay. Maybe I just did 3. Rockruff, Pokemon, Reverse, Altaria. I take it. Such a bust. I swear if nothing comes out of this box, I'm gonna be pissed. Come on, let's get a full art. Fighting Energy, Rotom, Almar, Terrafil, Pokeball, NK, Zigzagoon, Trubbish, Full Heal, another Reverse Energy. Can't get enough of those. And a Gardevoir V. Let's go. So we did get a hit. Last pack magic. Wow. Hey, there we go. Alright, and I recap tonight. For the pulls for tonight, actually came from a different source than the TCG Lightning Box. But we got Scorch, Altaria, Aggro, man. Pretty good. Reverse Energy. Another Reverse Energy. There it is. Scorch. I don't know how they got out of order, but Gardevoir V. Not too bad, not too bad. Still not, one of the hottest cards in the set. I actually like Gardevoir. The artwork on Gardevoir is pretty sick. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, drop a like. Subscribe if you want to see more. This is PCK here. Poker Cards KL signing out. Staying real, staying legit, staying real legit. Peace.